Hey guys, Sinju here, back with another unboxing, and if you saw from my previous video of the character from San, the Pestxsan, this is a kit that's going to be paired with it. It is the IDXU OBR00, the Oboro, and it is, of course, if you can see from the picture, is Pestxsan's bike, and this isn't included. So it's featuring more of the bike, not her. As if you've seen from, let's see if I can get the box. I like how they show off like newer kits or older kits or whatever. So you can see the picture from the back. And then there's another character right there. And I bet if you buy this one, you'll probably get some other characters in the front of the box. So this is from Kotobukiya. I am not sure when, but it is from Kotobukiya. And here's the shots of it. Here it's in bike mode. It also has a nice little, it's almost like a display stand in a way. It holds it up. And I can't read all this stuff, but it says front and the rear. And here it is. So this is like a enhanced armor hand mode, I guess. So it transforms. I like that. It's pretty awesome. Has some closed fist, has some open, and there's water slides. And this is the unpainted version. Let's see if there's anything else on this side. Okay. And here's Pestxsan. And apparently it is now on sale. So I'm not really sure if this came out first, the Oboro, or if Pestxsan came out first. That confuses me. I don't know. Because, you know, if it's on sale, that means this one came out first. Yeah? Or later? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's Pestxsan came out first. It would be weird if Oboro came out first. Alright. What do we have here? Plate number 1. B. So we have some red parts. I'm not sure what these things are. I think this is the control panel, or where everything's all, you know, the mileage and everything. Alright, got 2 C plates. More of that, it's kind of like a salmon red, or salmon pink, or whatever. Wait, is this salmon orange? Tuna? Yeah, whatever, it's red. Red, pinkish. And we have some poly caps. They're kind of dark, sorry. There you go. What else do we have? More some black parts. And this is runner A with a lot of the bigger pieces. Like, I think this is the back and front cone. And the seat. More shiny black parts, if you can see it. Okay, and I have some of these guys still in the bags because they're all pre-painted and I don't want to get scratched up. Yep. So with all these Koto kits, it's usually, you know, with some pre-painted kits. I've done some reviews in the past, like the Leviathan. That had a lot of pre-painted kits, pre-painted parts as well, and also the Pestxsan. So there's that. And here's another one with some, is that red with some black trim. Oop. Okay, and we have 2 of the same runners, okay. So here's that weird kind of bronzy color that was also on the Pestxsan. and it's just most of the engine-y parts, I guess, or like the mechy type parts of the actual bike. Alright, and we got two D runners, just some more little cones, and last runner will be the G. Here's all the giant hands, closed fists, and some accent pieces. Don't they look like Mickey Mouse got a hand chopped off? Oh, well, Mickey has 4 fingers. Doesn't he? Yeah, I think it was 4 fingers. Okay, 2 more pieces. Here's more of those pre-painted parts. I think these are meant to be like eyes for Oboro. And there's 2 of them. And you got the tires. So I want to check these out. I want to see if they're... Okay, so they're stiff, but they feel rubbery. And they have a little plastic insert on the side. So this is kind of like a rubber, maybe? It's really hard though, and stiff. I don't know. Could be rubber. Like it has that like weird feeling to it. Kind of like matte, but it sticks to your hand a little bit. I don't know. Could be. Might not be. Yes, no. Okay. And last but not least, we have some water slides. There it is. Oboro. And recycled picture from the cover. And the back with the color guide. Nothing too special. It's more of a add-on kit, so it's not going to be really special in a way, I guess. Is there a splash page? I like splash pages on manuals. And I don't think this one has one. Yeah, it doesn't. Well, here's a little preview of the manual. It looks pretty simple, especially with the wheels right there. Okay, so that's just a quick, simple little unboxing of the Oboro from Kotobukiya. And Sinjui out. Bye bye.